What's going on, guys? It's Freezer Bound Outdoors. Anyone who loves the outdoors, camping, hiking, anything like that, this is one of the lightest compact chairs that we could find. So we're going to do a review on it.
Not that heavy.
And it's not that heavy at all, I know. So we're going to show you guys, it packs up in this little bag here. Comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay. I mean, this is like the easiest tent you could ever put together here. Have a seat, Drake. So if you guys like camping in the outdoors, check this website out. I will have all the links in the description. This chair, super low to the ground, super comfy.
This is so comfy.
Okay, get up, Drake. Just to show you guys that it's not just a kid's chair. I am 210 pounds, and this is pretty comfy. Actually, let's turn this bad boy around here. Drake, why don't you sit down in that? So there it is, guys. Check them out. On their website, there's the best sellers: the inflatable sofa, the sleeping bag inflatable mat, the chair that we just showed you, the Ultralight backpacking chair, and there's also a folding camping table. So there's some of the products. Make sure you guys go over and check it out.